So what we have here, we have a marine installation, so on LPG. So this is what we have on here, what's called a bubbler. So before we take to the seas, we push this down and we just check for leaks. As we can see, she's bubbling, which means there's gas escaping from downstream of the bubble tester. So not always easy to install these little fellas. So let's have a little look. Right, so behind the cooker, you can see got some bubbles forming. So we have a little leak from the bottom of the union. So what a little fantastic idea these little bubblers are. It's just something they don't do them for larger installations. Alright, we'll make good the repair. So we just push down the bubbler, see what happens. Absolutely fine. Not a single bubble. So yeah, fantastic idea on these. Obviously on boats we can't have drop vents as we can in other LPG installations. So obviously we cut a hole in the bottom of the boat, it will soon be on the bottom. So yeah, it's a nice little safety device. Very simple idea. Little bubbler. All done.